Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Epic Games and Fortnite are online. This rules out server outages. Once done, restart your router and your console or PC, power off, wait 30 seconds, then power on. Make sure you connect via wired Ethernet or a 5 GHz network to reduce packet loss. Check NAT type and set it to open if possible. This improves matchmaking. You're now ready to move into deeper network checks and client repairs without wasting time on basic resets. Next, you flush local DNS and renew your IP to clear stale routes. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushtons, then ipconfig/release and /renew. After that, inspect router firewall and port forwarding. Ensure required ports like 443 and the 5795, 5999 range are not blocked because Fortnite uses them. Once done, run the Epic launchers verify/repair on Fortnite to fix corrupted. Finally, update your network drivers, GPU drivers, and operating system to remove compatibility issues. Outdated drivers often cause connection drops. Make sure any VPN, proxy, or third-party firewall is disabled during testing, since they can block authentication. Once everything is updated, relaunch Fortnite and test connectivity. If the error persists, collect client logs and ping/traceroute outputs. Then contact Epic support with those logs. A single key tip: try a different network, mobile hotspot, to isolate ISP versus device problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.